Today we pick our giveaway winner. Welcome back to the channel. Today we pick our giveaway winner. Okay, so I've got the computer ready to go, got the YouTube comment picker, got the picker wheel prize, and got everything ready to go. So we're gonna pick the winner, we're gonna pick the comments, and we're gonna have our winner very shortly. Okay, here we go. All right, so it is 8:40. So here's the proof of the date. All right, so here's the video. Here's the link. Gonna go down, filter duplicate users, include replies, and filter for the comments for the special phrase that pays. So we have 8 commenters officially in the video. I'm gonna scroll down and pick the winner. Bill Furl. Okay, so he is our winner. I'm going to copy the link and add it to the video. Okay, so Bill is our winner, and now we are going to spin. So we've got the Fire Stick, the mouse, the 2 thumb drives, Xbox Live Card, the car parts, and the Mustang mouse. I did 2 entries of each, so here we go. All right, so Bill, you've won an Amazon Fire Stick. Remember to reach out to me on Instagram or Facebook, and I'll get it sent out to you tomorrow. And thank you for all who subscribe and watch the content. Again, so Bill is our winner. Going to send him out his Amazon Fire Stick. And remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.
Say bye-bye.